Struggling with your weight and looking for a way to feel your best and you don't know where to start? You're not alone. Come and follow me in this video today, where we're diving into the 10 most effective ways to regulate your weight and live a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. These are simple, proven strategies anyone can follow. Stick around until the end, where we reveal a game-changing solution that's helping thousands to achieve incredible results. Let's get started. Number 1. A healthy body starts with what you put on your plate. Focus on whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid ultra-processed snacks that wreak havoc on your metabolism. Remember, moderation is key, even for the good stuff. Number 2. It's not just what you eat, but how much. Practice portion control to avoid overeating, even with healthy foods. It's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to regulate your weight without feeling deprived. Start by understanding serving sizes. Use your hand as a guide. A fist for carbs, a palm for protein, and a thumb for fats. Try using smaller plates or pre-portioning your snacks into smaller bowls or containers so you can enjoy them mindfully without overeating. And remember, portion control doesn't mean restriction. It's about balance and enjoying every bite. Number 3. Did you know dehydration can mimic hunger and lead to overeating? Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses and more if you're active. Bonus, staying hydrated boosts your energy levels and skin health. Number 4. Exercise isn't just about burning calories. It's about building a strong, healthy body and boosting your mood. To regulate your weight effectively, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. And don't forget strength training. Building muscle increases your metabolism, helping you burn calories even at rest. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Start small, stay consistent, and make it enjoyable. Number 5. Sleep is one of the most underrated yet vital parts of maintaining a healthy weight. Poor sleep disrupts your hormones, increasing cravings and lowering your ability to resist unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a bedtime routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed. Keep your room dark and cool, and avoid caffeine in the evening. Did you know that consistent sleep schedules improve your metabolism and energy levels? When your body gets the rest it needs, it becomes much easier to make healthier choices and stay active throughout the day. Hey, quick check-in. How are you feeling right now? Take a deep breath with me. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Feels good, right? You're doing amazing just by being here. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about showing up again and again. Every small step you take today brings you closer to the version of yourself you're working so hard to become. And if this video is helping you, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments how you are taking care of yourself today. I'd love to hear your story. Now let's get back to it. Number 6. Stress isn't just a mental burden. It has a direct impact on your weight and overall health. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that increases fat storage, especially around your midsection. Managing stress is essential for regulating your weight and living a healthier life. Start with small steps. Practice mindfulness, try meditation, or take a few deep breaths during the day. Regular physical activity, spending time in nature, or even journaling can help lower your stress levels. Remember, it's not about eliminating stress entirely. It's about learning to manage it effectively. Number 7. Fad diets might promise quick results, but they're often unsustainable and can harm your health. These restrictive plans can lead to nutrient deficiencies, energy crashes, and the dreaded yo-yo effect, where you regain the weight as soon as you stop the diet. Instead of chasing the latest trend, focus on creating a balanced, personalized eating plan you can maintain for life. Incorporate whole foods, enjoy your favorite treats in moderation, and pay attention to how food makes you feel. Remember, Real lasting change doesn't come from shortcuts, it comes from sustainable habits. Number 8. Tracking your progress is one of the most effective ways to stay motivated and see the results of your efforts. Start by setting realistic, measurable goals. Whether it's losing 5 pounds, walking 10,000 steps a day, or drinking more water. Use tools like a fitness tracker, a food diary, or even a simple notebook to log your daily habits. Remember, progress isn't just about numbers. It's about feeling stronger, more energized, and healthier. Celebrate the small victories along the way, like sticking to your workout routine or choosing a healthy meal over fast food. Each step forward matters. Number 9. The secret to long-term success in weight management and healthy living is consistency, not perfection. It's about making better choices most of the time, not punishing yourself for slip-ups. Skipped a workout? Get back on track tomorrow. Ate a little too much at dinner? Balance it out with a lighter meal next time. Consistency builds habits, and habits create lasting change. Focus on progress, not perfection, and watch how small, consistent actions lead to big results over time. Number 10. Intermittent fasting has become one of the most popular and effective methods for weight management, and for good reason. This process not only helps with weight regulation, but also stabilizes insulin levels and reduces inflammation. The beauty of intermittent fasting is its flexibility. You can adjust the fasting and eating windows to fit your schedule. One of the simplest and most popular methods is the 16-to-8 plan. With this approach, you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. But it's not just about skipping meals. It's about tapping into your body's natural rhythms to optimize fat burning and improve overall health. Many people report increased energy, better mental health, and reduced cravings when fasting becomes a regular part of their routine. I hope this video motivated you to start this life-changing journey to your full potential. These tips are powerful, and combined with your determination, your success is guaranteed. Your best self is just one decision away. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start your transformation today. The first step to a healthier, happier you is waiting just around the corner. If you like our channel, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, and remember, if you are willing to thrive, your journey to wellness starts here.